Welcome to my blog. I am Rakhi and today we will be taking a tour of my new book reviewer blog. So let's get started. As you can see, there are different tabs to make everything easy. The first we have book review. It's like homepage where everything I post is listed here. The next is Hindi reviews, where all the Hindi book reviews are posted and some of them are even in Hindi language. The next is product review, where you will see product reviews of some brands. For now I have stopped due to lockdown, but I will soon be posting more reviews. The next tab is my favorite author's interview, where you will see some of the inspiring answers given by our authors. Right now, this is very trending and you must definitely read some of the inspiring answers given here. So next, if you click on any of the header, a new page will open and you will see the full review to read it. Coming at the end, you will see a reaction tab, so don't forget to click on what you like. Also, there is a click here highlighted, where once you click on it, you will be redirected to a Amazon book purchase page. Every review has this click here highlighted, so it makes it easy for reader to click and purchase that book. Coming back to my blog, you can find all the other book reviews from the list over here. I have done more than 100 book reviews and everything I have posted here with the title and author's name. Now let's come to external links. These are my other platform profile links where I post reviews. You will also see YouTube link. As this is my first video, I will be posting this on my channel. Last but not the least, do click on follow button to show your support. So guys, thank you for watching my blog, and I will be soon posting videos on book reviews, recommendations and many more. Do like and leave a comment. Thank you, bye and be safe.